This time I will explain the screenshot feature. You can automate taking screenshots with TaskMagic. Click the plus icon, and if you select the screenshot below, you will see an item like this. First, you can select the location you want to save. For example, let's create a new folder. Create a folder with the new setting. I created a folder called TaskMagic Test. Copy the path of this folder and paste it here. You can also overwrite the file name. Let's leave it blank. Save it in this state. And click the Finish button. Let's actually start this automation. If you click Play Steps, the page will open. And a screenshot will be taken. The screenshot that was taken will be automatically added to this folder. It was added. When you open it, a screenshot of the page is taken. I will explain how to use it further. I prepared a Google spreadsheet this time. There are links to each article in this spreadsheet. Let's take a screenshot of each article. This will all be automated. First, click the Share button at the top right of the spreadsheet. You can save any name. Add this email address to automations@taskmagic.com. And set the source as an editor. Copy the link and you're done. Next, click Setup Trigger. Click on the loop. You can add data to the Google Sheet. Click Setup. Paste the URL of the Google spreadsheet you copied earlier. The worksheet name is set to Test. Select Worksheet Name Test. Click the green Looks Good button. It says which line to start from. The first line is header information. I want to start from the second line, so I'll type in 2. It says how many times you want to loop. There are 12 items in here. There are 12 links, so I'll type in 12. And click the Continue button. I won't set the schedule here. Click the Continue button. Let's set up more from here. Click the plus button. Select this URL. And it says link at this URL. Click Add Link. Now it's added as a link. The link, the article title, and the link are the headers on the Google spreadsheet. The article title and the link. By selecting the link, the URL of each article below will be automatically inserted. Save it as is. Next, click the plus button and click Screenshot. Enter the folder path you want to save. Copy and paste the folder path. If you want to overwrite the file name, you can set it here. I won't do that this time. Save it. Let's delete the first step. Start from here. You can set how far you want to loop from the top here. Step 1 to Step 2. I set it to automatically loop here. I set the green bar to the maximum. Like this. Click the Play Steps button. It will automatically loop. Each screenshot will be added to this folder. Look, the second page is added. The third page opens. The third page screenshot is added. It's added. You can automatically shoot screenshots on each page. It's very easy. Step 4. I automatically opened the page and took a screenshot. This is the 7th page. Step 5. The screenshot shooting is over. Let's click and open it. The screenshots of each article and page are taken. By using TaskMagic, you can automatically take screenshots and use Google Spreadsheet to take screenshots. Please try it. Thank you for watching.